Good Friday! I know! I'm sorry! We're doing another McDonald's video. Yesterday I'm on a news website and for some reason there's a TikTok video that's gone viral regarding Great Value secret sauce. Why it's gone viral now I don't know, because if you look on YouTube there are videos saying that this is great as a McDonald's replacement for special sauce going back a year. So why would it go viral now? I don't know. I didn't even know they had this sauce. That's why we're making the video. We gotta try it. And we have to compare it to our homemade version of Big Mac special sauce. I want to know what it tastes like. Great Value secret sauce. You know, if it's really good, we'll use it. They look almost the same color. Link above for how we made our homemade special sauce. This is the smooth version. You can make a chunky version. It has dehydrated onions. Chunky version, you put the onions in directly and let it sit overnight. Smooth version, we grind up the dehydrated onions. If you look at the ingredients for McDonald's special sauce and Great Value secret sauce, they do have a lot of the same ingredients. I gotta give them credit. This has paprika extract. McDonald's has paprika extract. One has dried onion and garlic, one has garlic and onion powder. There are many similarities. They both have xanthan gum. They both have high fructose corn syrup. Alright, enough talking. Let's get down to business. Should we do a little taste test first before we put it on the burger? I think so. Let's do that. I have not tried this yet. Let's give it a shake. Okay, this is McDonald's secret sauce. It's got a nice thickness to it. This smooth sauce has been sitting in the fridge for about 3 hours. If you want to go chunky with the dehydrated onions, you let it sit overnight. Let's just see. Thickness is about the same. Great Value homemade. I have not tried it. There are little bits of something in here. Let's try it. Here we go. That tastes pretty good. It's tangy, it's vinegary. That does not disappoint me yet. Wow. That's pretty good. Homemade. Mine's a little bit more chewy because we put actual pieces of dill pickle in there. I think they both have about the same amount of tang. I think they're very close. They're really close. We'll have to see how it tastes on the burger. Really close. I think they're almost identical. I have to say though, the little bits of pickle that are crunchy might give an edge to mine. Let's try it on a burger. Yeah, focus, focus. Over here, over there, over there, over here. Okay, and go. I gotta cut this burger in half if we're gonna do it correctly. We already cut the bun in half. Can we cut this in half without breaking it? And it is verging on rare. That's okay with me. People are gonna get upset that it's rare. Great Value is on the left. Great Value. We are not skimping on sauce. We're going to put a lot of sauce on the top as well. We need a couple of pieces of lettuce. It's weird doing a half burger. Come on, man. You go on. Beautiful. Push you down. Turn you around. Ooh, it's a rare burger. And homemade. It's been in the fridge about 3 hours. At least. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. A couple of pieces of lettuce. Beautiful. I'm just going to put a big pickle on each. Okay? Just a big pickle. Great value. Homemade. We are not skimping. And we're going to be dipping as well. There you go. Now we got to open them up. Beautiful. Great value. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's try the homemade first since it tipped over. And it's very messy and... Alright. Homemade. Oh. Messy? That's so good. I stand by my sauce. I really do. Oh, that's so good. Let's try the great value. Huh. I haven't gotten a pickle yet. And I'm just going to say, right off the bat, I think mine is better. I've got to take another bite of the great value, okay? See, it's not as rare here. It's just rare there. Great value. Let's get a piece of pickle. Piece of pickle. It's very good. I got to take one more bite of my sauce before I say anything. Piece of pickle, homemade. Oh, so messy. Mine is better. Let's try something. Okay. Homemade, it is all about the sauce. Since it's all about the sauce, let's do a dip. Oh, here we go. Boy, I don't know what it is. You know, trying the sauces plain, I thought they were really close, but on the burgers, I think this homemade sauce wins. I have to take one more bite before I decide. Okay, great value, and we have to dip it. Okay. All right. Final bite, homemade. Move that aside. The verdict is this is better, the homemade. Now, that said, and we haven't tried this, what if you add some fresh dill pickles to this and maybe some dehydrated onions to punch up the flavor? It might be the same then. But that's not what we're doing today. We're trying out great value compared to my homemade special sauce, and the special sauce wins. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.